Well, just early this morning, His Excellency was intimated about this incident, like you can see, and His Excellency directed that I should immediately visit the site on his behalf and assess the extent of damage and report back to the government. Having seen, the first thing we did was to carry out personnel audit, and from the record available to the government, no life was lost. And we have been told that 4 persons sustained injury and they have been rescued and have been taken to a hospital for treatment. You can also see, as a government, His Excellency had directed that the site be sealed off, and you can see the signs that have been sealed off. And then rescue operation, rescue in such sense is evacuating the rubble. We're not talking about any human being, because from the audit we carried out, nobody is involved. Having done this, any moment from now, equipment will come here to clear these rubbles. And then what is important is the fact that government is not going to take this lightly. Government is going to institute a proper probe of to the immediate and the remote cause of this building collapse, and everyone that is involved will be brought to book. All those who are involved in the built industry, we're going to interrogate and audit their actions, whether they are in order or whether they carried out what they are supposed to do. That is the position of government.